What are difference between the machines that we are doing now, the Scotch-Yoke machines, and linear EMA machine? In comparing the technologies, it's crucial to know that neither EMA nor Scotch-Yoke dynos are inherently the better or worse. They serve the different purposes. The EMA primarily are aimed at performance testing and ultra-fine tuning of dampers, providing the precision needed for the most critical stages of development of the damper itself. Scotch-Yoke dynos, on the other hand, excel in reliability and quality assurance testing. While Scotch-Yoke dyno can handle about, 70 to 80% of the daily work that you need to do, for the last 20%, which demands ultra-precise testing, a lot of data, a lot of resolution, the detailed performance testing done, there is no substitute for an electromagnetic shock dyno done by Laba 7. If you are looking for more data about our machines, about all our equipment, you can find it on webpage laba7.com, or just look for us on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, and yeah.